Sytner is that weird shape of the wing sticking up from the Lotus. The rear of the car is pushed right up, but Frank Sytner gets his trotter down, uses the superior power of his car, pulls away, but you can see that Brooks now is starting to close on him, and when they come into the corners, he's going to be right up behind Sytner again.
They're coming to St Mary's now, which is the right-hander. They're in it now. Then the left-hander. The nose of the Lister dips as they go into the left-hander. Still Sytner is ahead, but they've got the long double right-hander on that end ahead of them. They've got Robbie McKenzie knows little Elva to that, and look at how wide Sytner goes as they come out of it, and Brooks is a lot.
Yes, he's done it!
Brooks is ahead, but now they've got the long straight, and that's where 300 horsepower of Jaguar power will surely tell. Robert Brooks leads.
I cannot
Frank
believe.
Sytner is in second place. Frank Sytner is in the slipstream. Frank Sytner pulls out of the slipstream. They go down towards Woodcote Corner, but Robert Brooks is going to brake very, very late indeed. They come to the corner, and Robert Brooks brakes much later, and Brooks still has the lead as they come through Woodcote. Now they come down to the chicane, and John Harper is with them as well. It's three cars battling.
Starting the last lap.
This is the last lap indeed. Robert Brooks has the lead. Frank Sytner is in second place and in danger from John Harper. John Harper now looking at the inside as they go down to Madrid. A wide entry over that bumpy double apex for Robert Brooks, and briefly Frank Sytner closes.
Frank Sytner's got two problems now.
They've got the long Ford water, but wait and see what happens as they come to St Mary's. I think that's where Frank Sytner is going to be more challenged, because these Lotuses and Coopers are quicker through the corners. We look down from the Goodyear airship now, that extraordinary silhouette of the Lotus 15 with its bodywork almost vertical at the back, and Robert Brooks has the lead. John Harper incidentally has set that fastest lap.
And Frank Sytner's got two problems now. One is to catch and pass Brooks, the other is to keep Harper behind him. But Brooks is far enough ahead to win this race. What an astounding victory it's going to be.
Well, indeed, Robert Brooks has done an absolutely magnificent job. Frank Sytner working away in the more primitive but faster, more powerful, in a straight line faster Lister Jaguar, and still Frank Sytner hasn't given up. He has a little think about leaving his brake late for Woodcote. As they come now down to Woodcote, it's Robert Brooks, it's Frank Sytner, it's John Harper. This is the last corner of the last lap. They come into the chicane. Robert Brooks flicks the car understeering slightly. The checkered flag is waiting. He didn't take the black flag. He's now going to take the checkered flag. Robert Brooks wins. Frank Sytner just holds on to second.